Hello, everyone. This is a boy. This is a boy. His name is Leo. This is Leo. Leo. This is his mom. This is Leo's mom. Today is a special day for Leo. His mom gets him a gift. Leo's mom gets Leo a gift. Leo sees his mom. Leo sees his mom. Leo also sees a gift. Leo sees a gift. The gift is a toy. The gift is a toy. Leo gets the toy. He gets the toy. Leo smiles. Leo is happy. He looks at his mom. Leo looks at his mom. He says, "Thank you. Thank you for my toy. I love my toy." Today was a special day. Leo got a toy. Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.